Oh, another little cat. It's another little cat. Dang.
We on a, oh, he is talking about it. Not happy.
Oh, let's get it. Oh, damn, there's another one right there. That one's a no-doubter. You got another one out of the treetop? Man, we needed a cameraman. This by ourselves is killing me. Driving and filming at the same time is killing me.
Oh my God, I'm out of water. Why, you little bitch? Look, baby.
I know.
Get the ice chest.
I know. This is our first run on them too. Just checking on y'all. Ah, crap, he's gonna move. Did you hit your foot? Woo! Did you get another one?
Yep. Oh.
Did you hit your foot?
I think I'm a little too old.
You're getting too old for this?
I've been jumping from pontoon to pontoon. Oh my God, oh my God.
Oh God, what? Holy sh... Dude, that's a big one, Heather. I would have never thought that. Weighs out.
Big catfish dance.
Big cat. Oh, that's a different dance for a big catfish dance. Man, that's a good one right there. Hell, that's a 20-ounce Coke bottle. He wouldn't pull it very hard. I thought it was a small one. Man, he's 15 pounds.
Oh, I know.
Oh, is he killing your arm? No, hold him up. Give him a kiss, Heather. Give him a kiss. No, grab him. Yeah. He's too big. It's too big. I thought you liked the big ones.
My hand won't go around it.
Is that him? No, that's that bottle, ain't it? Put that line down and grab him by the tail.
Well,
Drop the line.
Flounce.
He's not going to flounce. Drop the line. There you go. Now hold him up like that. What's he say?
Mama.
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Mama, you found me.
All right, now let's get a picture for your Facebook.